Just remember that you're the prize always.
Say that one more time.
Just remember that you are the prize.
Yes.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Foxy, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey. Today we have ourselves a fall inspired color wig install. But before we jump into that video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Now girl, let's just jump right into it. So now I got this unit from EVERYTIME. This is from Outre, a part of their melted hairline series, and I have the unit Elissa. This is what our unit is looking like. 2 standard combs to the side, a comb to the back with an elastic band. Now I have this unit in the color DRFF2 Cinnamon Mocha, and I just feel like I had to pick that color because it is September, which is pretty much fall. Wait, fall is in September, right? It most definitely is. Yeah, so the unit was screaming fall, and I just felt like, you know, chocolate on chocolate can never go wrong. Like, look at this unit already. She's giving. Okay, going in with my eyebrow razor, and I already plan on making this install as simple as possible. I love how natural she already looks, so you guys don't have to worry about me doing all those baby hairs. And if you watch my channel, you know exactly what the hell I'm talking about. No, we're gonna try and keep her as simple as possible, and yeah, just watch me install my girl. It was me really speaking to my daughter and husband, explaining to them that this color on my skin is immaculate, but I was so mad that she was the left part because I'm a right parts kind of girl, you know what I'm saying? But we gonna make it do what it do. So right now, you guys just see me pulling the hair back. I'm about to go in with my Got To Be hairspray, and let me just say this again, if you've been watching my channel, you know damn well I do not use Got To Be spray. I really actually hate it. So then you're probably wondering, then girl, why the hell are you using it? It was all I had, okay? And I'm gonna do the best with what I got. Y'all want this install or not? No, but seriously, it was all I had, and I had to use it. I just don't like Got To Be. I feel like it leaves my lace with like a white type of cast. It doesn't matter sometimes if you put makeup, melt it with a band. It just gives me that ashy appearance, and I hate it. But this install wasn't too bad. I guess she did an okay job or whatever. And yeah, now we're just melting that into the skin, and so far so good. Now you guys just see me putting on my elastic band, and while I finish up this install, we're just going to get into the pros and cons real quick. Starting off with the cons, let me just say, girl, don't let this cute ass wig fool you. Baby, talk about tangling. Like, there is no reason that I really just took her out the pack that day, and I was already having a hard time detangling her. Not gonna lie, I really ain't like that. Shedding, oh my god. Let me not be dramatic. Was it shedding a lot? Absolutely not. But was it shedding? Absolutely. And I just feel like for that to be day one and it was already doing that, your girl was doing a lot that I did not like. But if I'm being honest, those were really the only 2 cons that I had. Your girl tangles and sheds, but let's talk about it. Are those not big cons for a new unit? Girl, bye. Now, if we get into the pros, let's just start off with color match alone. Chocolate on chocolate skin is gonna eat every motherfucking time, okay? Cinnamon mocha, it's not usually a color I typically do, but she complimented my skin color so well. Like, even my husband was complimenting me, y'all. So I just feel like that should tell you enough. I will say this, the girl is a left part. I don't like left parts. I'm a right part kind of girl, but that is just personal preference. That has nothing against the unit. Now, this is about maybe my 3rd or 4th wig from the melted hairline series, and clearly I keep coming back because the melt that you get with their lace amazing, no complaints whatsoever. The unit does come, I would say, in my opinion, somewhat pre-plucked. It has to me a very natural looking hairline. I did not pluck or do any of that, so for her to look the way that she does, we're gonna give her a 10 out of 10. And honestly, that was pretty much it. If I had to round it up together, like, girl, what do you think out of a 10? All around shedding, tingling, and all, I would give this unit a solid 8.5 out of 10. And the reason is because I cannot do the shedding and the tingling, y'all. I just don't like that. It's already a thing to be wearing synthetic wigs, and you have to try and finesse to make them look natural. And then you want to embarrass me and tangle and stuff. Like, no, I really don't like that. But color wise, how easy she is to like be installed, 8.5 out of 10 for sure. So right now you guys just see me going in with my hot comb, and I honestly don't even know why I did this, because the melted hairline units are pretty flat. It's probably at this point just routine for me to, you know, make sure my units are nice and laid. And as you guys can see, I did not do a lot of baby hairs like I usually do. I did do, you know, a little side baby hair and 2 little swoops by my ear, but that was pretty much it. The link to this wig can be found in my description box below. And seriously, look at how natural this wig looks, and she's synthetic. Like I said, keep in mind that your girl does shed and tangle, but beautiful that she freaking is. Like, I don't even like brown hair like that, but she's about to make me start doing it because I am in love with this color on my skin for sure. But that was it for this install, you guys. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also be sure to click that post notification bell so you know when your girl is posting next. And until next time, I will see you girlies later. Adios.